here we have the Google Toolbar, and just tap here on this icon to translate the text. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to translate a text from a picture on Samsung phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025, and here is a picture, and I wanted to translate this text in English. To do it we have two ways, and I will show you both. The first one, for that you need to press and hold on the home button here, and here we have the Google Toolbar, and just tap here on this icon to translate the text. We have here the detected language Estonian, and from here you can translate to English, or you can choose another language. And to do it, just tap scroll and translate. Now translating. Tap here to remove this bar, and if you tap again, here we have the translated text. Okay. Unfortunately, we don't have any way to save this picture, and to save it, I will make a screenshot. For that, I will press and hold the volume down and side button like this. And here I have the screenshot. Okay. Now I will exit from this AI mode, and I will tap here, and I will go to the translated page. It's here, and I want to remove this color, and to do it I will tap on edit. Here just adjust this side like this. Okay, and now tap save, and this is the translated text. So it's not so hard. Now the second way, for that you can use the AI selection. Just go to the edge panel, and here we have AI select. If you don't see this icon, maybe you need to swipe for a few times. And now tap on it, wait for a few seconds, and you need to circle around the text that you want to translate. And I will do it like this. Okay. And now the text is selected, and here you need to tap on this little icon to select all the text. And now tap copy, and the text is copied to clipboard, and I will go now to the Google Translate app, and here tap paste. We have the detected language Estonian, and if I go down here we have the translated text in English, and from here you can copy and use it. So we have two ways. I hope this video to be useful for you. Please let me in the comment area if you know another ways to translate the text from a picture. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.